दर्यादेगांसयत हेर पर्यटन थळांचेर वस्तू खरेदी करपा खातीर पर्यटकांचे फाटीक लागपा सयत विविध सेवांच्यो तिकेटी खरेदी करपाची सक्ती केल्यार आतां 5,000 ते 1 लाख रुपया मेरेन दंड मेळटलो। गोंय पर्यटन थळां संरक्षण आनी दुरुस्ती विधेयक 2025 सभाघरांत चर्चे उपरांत मंजूर जालें। आमदार कृष्णा साळकार हांणी सुचयिल्ली दुरुस्ती लेगीत मान्य केली। पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे हांणी हे विधेयक चर्चे खातीर मांडून संमत करून घेतलें।
पर्यटन थळ संवर्धन आनी देखभाल दुरुस्ती विधेयक मंजूर। दर्यादेगेंचेर टावट्सांकडल्यान बेकायदो तिकेट विक्रेती करतात। बिगर गोंयकार तशेंच हेर विक्रेत्यां कडल्यान वस्तूंची खरेदी खातीर हट्ट धरतात। उक्ताडाची अन्न शिजोवप, सोरो पिवन बाटल्यो उडोवप। दर्यादेगांचेर गाडी चलोवपाक बंदी आसा। ह्या प्रकारा खातीर 5,000 ते 1 लाख रुपया मेरेन दंड मेळटलो। दर 2 वर्सांनी दंडाचे रकमेचो नियाळ घेतले। आमदार कृष्णा साळकर आनी काँग्रेसचे आमदार ॲडव्होकेट कार्लोस पेरेरा हांणी सुचयल्ल्यो दुरुस्त्यो कलम 10A मान्य केला।
Goa is recognized as a premier tourist destination. The number of tourists visiting the state has been consistently increasing. However, the rapid expansion of tourism activities has also led to an increase in nuisance at tourist places, affecting the experience of visitors and locals in the state, disturbing public order and causing environmental degradation. Instances of unauthorized activities, disturbances and violations of public decorum have been on the rise, necessitating a stronger legal framework to address these concerns. The bill seeks to expand the definition of nuisance. Under the Goa Tourist Places Protection and Maintenance Act 2001, Goa Act 56 of 2001, by including additional activities and enhance deterrence by increasing the fine for nuisance so as to preserve the integrity of the tourist places in Goa, promote responsible and regenerative tourism and create a hospitable environment by protecting the interest of local communities and stakeholders. Speaker sir, पयर डिमांड जेन्ना जालो सगळ्यांचो एक इश्यू आशिल्लो की बिचार कोण त्रास करता, हॉकर येता, टावट येता, इलिगल जाता, हाज्या खातीर थोडो कायदो दुरुस्ती जी करपाची आशिल्ली सो आमचो पयलींचो प्रिंसिपल एक्ट जो आशिल्लो गोवा टुरिस्ट प्लेसीस प्रोटेक्शन एंड मेंटेनन्स एक्ट 2001 तोच तातून फक्त स्पीकर सर 2 फक्त मायनर आमी चेंजीस केल्ले आसा। एक म्हणल्यार न्यूसन्स जे आसा which covered only 1 para, we have increased the scope. The second para, Speaker sir, amendment of section 10, we have inserted a new section 10A. आता स्पीकर सर जो कट मोशन आमच्या बिलाचे हाजेर अमेंडमेंटाक जो आमचो बाप दाजी साळकार तसोच दोतोरान जो मूव केला, section 2 in subclause C3 where the word and occurs and shall be deleted and substituted by the word or मान्य आसा। Speaker sir, in section 2 in subclause C6 after the word boating and before the word or the following expressions shall be inserted, namely activities for taking tourists. The boating gallo they wanted to say that फाले fishermen येवचो नाही आणि तातून specific touristaंक आसचो म्हण तुम्ही amend केलो। Both of the amendments we agree to it. In section 4 of the bill, Speaker sir, after section 10 of the Principal Act, section 10A from the words the fine till the words 2 years shall be inserted. So urillo jo para asa and may be increased by such amount not exceeding 10% in value of the existing fine as may be prescribed to kadlo. Yet kele jara Speaker sir, urillo gazalo maka ista is understood. Doctor, I request you that whatever these words and things
I just explain. I'll tell you what. Only you understand what perspective.
No, you can go if you want. You can go point by point. I have no issues.
I'll just explain to you what it is. Why?
But then you go point by point.
Point by point. I'll explain to you so that you understand. If you agree with me, you see. If you don't want, then you may decide otherwise. See, in the first clause which I mentioned is clause 2C, nuisance. I don't mind you put any number of items as nuisance. I'm not objecting to that in principle. You define what is nuisance. But when you use the word includes, in legal parlance, the word includes means besides this anything else.
Because sir,
that's why I said, wait, that's why I use the word means. Means.
Principal act and Speaker sir, includes सुद्धा आशिल्लो. आता includes सुद्धा दवरला कित्याक includes जेन्ना आमी म्हणटा, it gives us the option to include more. ऑप्शन्स मेळटा फाल्यां एवरी टाइम फॉर द स्मॉलर थिंग्स फाल्यां एक लायन टावटाची कार्ड हे कार्ड परत असेंब्लीन येवपाची गरज ना।
2 विधेयकां सभाघरात सादर केली। कोयर उक्ताडार उडयल्यार सुमार 3 लाख मेरेनचो दंड मेळटलो अशें गोंय कोयर नियंत्रण दुरुस्ती विधेयक मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हांणी सभाघरात सादर केले। महाविद्यालयाचे क्लस्टर स्थापन करपाची तजवीज विधेयकात आसा अशें गोंय भौशीक विद्यापीठ विधेयक 2025 मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हांणी सादर केले। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीव्ही।